Hello and welcome back to the Peej's workshop. Here we are back to restoring the Erie 060 steam locomotive. All I need right now is a smoke box. Oh, and what's this? It's a smoke box. Oh yeah. Look at that. Looks even better now. Was gonna wedge it in there, but then I went for super glue. While I was at it, I replaced the traction tires because, as you can see, they were crumbling and falling apart. And there it is. Basically fully restored to its former glory. I'd like to thank YouTuber Steamer the Steam Train for linking me to Adam M of Pennsylvania to get this smoke box hatch door. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Well, that's all for me for now. See ya!